Is your Windows 11 update stuck at pending restart and refusing to budge? Don't worry, you're not alone, and this video is exactly what you need. We'll go over multiple working solutions that have helped tons of users get past this annoying glitch. So sit tight, follow along step by step, and let's get your Windows 11 running smoothly again. Solution 1, start the App Readiness Service. First up, we're going to check a service that is crucial in applying updates, App Readiness. If this service isn't running, your system is not ready to complete the update process. To fix this, open the search box on your taskbar, type in Services, and launch it. Scroll down to find App Readiness, double-click it, and set the startup type to Automatic. If the service isn't already running, hit Start. Apply the changes and restart your PC. This can prepare your system for updates and clear the pending restart status. Solution 2, move the WinREAgent folder. Sometimes update-related files can get stuck or corrupted in the WinREAgent folder. To eliminate any conflicts, go to your C drive, then into the Windows folder, and find the folder named $WinREAgent. Move this folder to a different location, like a backup folder or another drive. Then restart your system and try installing the update again. Solution 3, run the Windows update. Troubleshooter, built right into Windows 11, is a handy tool called the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This can identify and automatically fix issues that are stopping your updates. Just head to Settings, then System, and go to Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and find Windows Update. Hit the Run button and follow any instructions that appear. Once the troubleshooter finishes its job, go back and try installing KB5055523 again. Solution 4, restart Windows, update services. Some essential background services related to Windows Update may be stuck or disabled. Restarting these services can resolve the issue. Open the Services window again and look for services like Windows Update, the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Cryptographic Services. Right-click each one and either start or restart them. After doing this, reboot your PC and check if the update finally goes through. Solution 5, reset Windows. Update components. Still no luck? Then it's time to take it a step further and reset all Windows Update components. This might sound advanced, but it's not too hard. Open Notepad and paste in a series of commands that stop the update services, rename corrupted folders, reset network settings, and re-register update-related files. Save the file with a .bat extension, like woofix.bat, and right-click it to run as administrator. After the script completes, reboot your PC. This should wipe away any corrupted update data and give your update a fresh chance. Solution 6, use Microsoft Update Catalog for manual installation. If automatic updates are just not working, you can bypass the issue entirely by manually downloading and installing the KB5055523 update. Head over to the Microsoft Update Catalog website, search for KB5055523, and download the correct version for your system. Make sure you pick the right one for your system type, like x64 or ARM. Run the downloaded file to install the update and restart your system when it's done. This method avoids using Windows Update and can be a real lifesaver. And there you have it. These are the best methods to fix the KB5055523 update getting stuck or not installing in Windows 11. Don't get frustrated if the first solution doesn't work. Try them all one by one and you'll most likely find the fix that works for your system. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech fixes.